Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP Intermediate Exam 2021 Math 1B important LAQs for 7 marks according to the new paper pattern. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. I would like to inform the TS students that we have placed the guest papers of 1B on our website. You can purchase that. The guest paper cost is 20 rupees. You can buy the 3 guest papers, very important guest paper that will help you to get good marks in your exam, and it will help you to get prepared well for the exam. Let us start the video. The first chapter, that is straight line. Straight line, the first question is foot perpendicular. Second is find the equation of a straight line passing through 1, 2 and making an angle. Next is orthocenter, circumcenter with line with the points. These are the very important question, guys, because sometimes the examiner will ask from the 3 lines and sometimes they will give 3 points. So practice both orthocenter and circumcenter. That can give you good marks in your board exam. Next chapter is pair of straight line. Pair of straight line is a very important chapter. It is a most scoring chapter. Practice these questions. The first is theta is the angle between the pair of line. Prove that cos theta equals to. Next is if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy represent a line. Prove that. Find the angle between the joining points. Next question, show that the joining points with the origin. Next, show that the lines of the origin to the points of intersection of the curve, these are mutually perpendicular. Find the value of k. Very important question. Next, last question is also very important. These are very important question for pair of straight line. Next, let us go to the next chapter, that is direction cosines and direction ratios. Very important question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions I have given. If you practice, this definitely give you good marks from this chapter, direction cosines. Next chapter is differentiation. I have given here very important differentiation equations after seeing all the paper pattern. These are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, very important questions. Next chapter is tangents and normal. This tangent and normal is a very scoring chapter. If a tangent on curve is given, find the coordinate of AB. If the tangent curve is given, intersect at the coordinate axis AB, show that the length AB is a constant. Next is show that the tangent tangent at point and under root x plus under root y equals to under root a. You have to prove this one. Next, find the length of subtangent normal to the curve. Next is any point on the curve is find the length of tangent and normal subtangent. Next is find the angle between the curves. Find the angle between the curves is given. Next, show that the curve intersect orthogonally. Next, last one is find the condition for orthogonality of the curves. Next and the last chapter, that is maxima and minima, a very important chapter for both the states. If the perimeter of the window be 20 feet, then find the maximum area. These are very important. 1, 2 wire question, normally cylinder questions, and then the shape of rectangle surmounted, very important question. 2 positive integers, also a important question. So these are brief about the all LAQs 7 marks question for IPE. I request the student that we have placed these are the very important questions, but at the same time, to know how the paper will come in the exam, for that you require a guest paper. Through guest paper, I am giving you 3 guest papers at a very good cost, that is 20 rupees is the price of the guest papers. You can buy it from the website. The link of the guest paper is given, so you can buy from our website. That are very helpful questions to students, that will help you to know how paper will come, because this paper we design according to the 70% of the syllabus. After doing a lot of research, checking all the questions, we have designed that paper for TS students. If every student want to buy, they can buy and refer as a important question. Why? Because we have not given the guest paper for our board of AP. Why? Because the reason was the board has not released any model paper, so we cannot make a model paper on that. So that's why I didn't make. But if you AP student buy, that will give them the important question, the very important question that will help them to get maximum marks. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will upload the SAQs of the question. Thank you.